Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask on iPhone. First, download the official MetaMask application from the Apple App Store. Once installed, you'll either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. It is absolutely crucial to write down your 12-word secret recovery phrase on paper and store it in a safe, private location. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Now that your wallet is set up, you'll need to add some cryptocurrency. You can purchase digital assets directly within the MetaMask app using various payment methods. Alternatively, you can transfer funds from another cryptocurrency exchange or a different wallet. To do this, simply copy your unique MetaMask wallet address or scan its QR code, then paste it into the sending platform. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. With funds in your wallet, you can now explore the world of decentralized applications, or dApps. Use the built-in browser within the MetaMask app to navigate to your desired dApp. When prompted to connect your wallet or approve a transaction, you will use your iPhone's Face ID or Touch ID for secure authentication. Always ensure you are on the correct website address to avoid phishing scams before confirming any connection or transaction. Protecting your assets is paramount. Remember, your 12-word secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Enable biometric security features, such as Face ID or Touch ID, within the MetaMask app for an extra layer of protection on every transaction. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and always double-check URLs before interacting with any website or clicking on links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.